released our EP Destroy end of November, and then just went straight back into the studio in the new year. Just started working on the next record.
It's a progression from that, musically as well as lyrically.
Yeah, and hopefully like a step up as well. We always want to try and, you know, make the next record better than the last and stuff like that. But it retains the things that people, I suppose, like about us, like, you know, big riffs and, like, I don't know, big choruses and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, it's sounded good.
Yeah.
So, hopefully.
Then we just got to work out how to play it live.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Ali. Yeah. Don't think we sound like anyone else at the moment.
I hear aspects of other bands.
Like the riffs of, like a couple of people say, like riffs of Deftones, and, you know, I mean, we get all sorts of stuff. You know, people say, like the Biffy thing, people give us a Biffy thing, like heavy Biffy. That's probably the thing we get the most, is like heavy Biffy Clyro. Like, I think it comes from the bands we like, because we all like different stuff. Like, the drummer really loves stuff like Paramore, and then
as well as Monuments and like super
tech metal and stuff. And then like me and him really like Refused at the Drive-In and stuff like that, and Deftones. So yeah, I don't think we sound like anyone at the moment, which is a blessing and a curse, I suppose.
Yeah, we end up getting booked for some strange
weird tours.
Slots.
Like, we'll be on heavy tours, and then we get put on lighter bills because we've got obviously like melodic stuff that we do. And then we've just been put on Tech Fest as well, which is like got Decapitated headlining and all these technical bands, and we are not a technical band. I mean, yeah, we've got some Time Change stuff and stuff like that, but not like that, not like Genti, or like, we're not like that at all.
I think we're there just for the after party. Like once all the like the tech guys have done their bit and they're
all the serious
up,
musicians,
we'll just sound check to the after party.
Yeah, I think we're the party band, which is cool. That's fine. The whole aim of the band is live.
Yeah.
You know, touring is what we're about. You know, so when we first started, sort of the end of 2011, we the first tour, we just went on tour because we were clueless. Young and clueless. We just went out on the road for 30 days and done 26 gigs in 30 days, and slept in the back of the transit van.
Nearly killed ourselves out the door.
Yeah, but like, now we're just sort of approaching it a bit more methodically and trying to just do better tours, and, you know, we're getting some good support slots now and stuff like that, which is really good. But yeah, it's the main aim is that when we write this music, to make sure that it will transcend live and that people will.
There's nothing I hate more than when you go see a band and they're on record, they sound massive, like there's guitars everywhere, and then they just sound empty live because say for example they're only a 3-piece.
Yeah, like we're a 3-piece, but you know, people always say we sound really big, like, and we sound like we've got 2 guitars and stuff, but we don't use backing tracks or anything like that. It's just how we play. Like, we know how each other works and how we write songs specifically so that when things drop, you know, it sounds bigger. And we were brought up on, as I say, like Refused, Out the Drive-In, that whole sort of, I don't know, punk ethic, but we're not punk at all, but we like the ethics behind it, sort of. Yeah, so the next 6 months is all about just finishing this record off, and we've got a couple of like short tours and like good support slots for the rest of the year, some festival stuff to be announced as well, but yeah, the focus is just finishing this record, making it as good as we can, and then, yeah, as I say, get a single out before the end of the year, and then release the album sort of next March, April time.